Next, we're in Ann Arbor, Michigan for a plea hearing. 39-year-old Susanna Williams is pleading guilty to third-degree retail fraud. 3 months earlier, Williams, who has a criminal history, including possession of illegal substances, was in a supermarket when she ate some donuts without paying for them. She was arrested and originally charged with second-degree retail fraud. But when Williams failed to appear at her arraignment, a warrant was issued. When Williams finally did appear in court, she was given a bond of $1,000, but was unable to pay, so she's been in custody for 93 days. Today, Williams appears before Judge Cedric Simpson to enter her plea. She's represented by attorney Ron Brown, who has a long history appearing before Judge Simpson.
Your Honor, we're trying to resolve this case. I believe her jail credit is 93 days on this offense. So she would be seeking a credit for time served sentence with release. I believe the donuts that she stole and ate would be the basis for the restitution if the court were to order.
So there is restitution.
What's the restitution, sir?
You got to pay for the donuts you ate.
Oh, okay.
So do we know the amount of restitution?
I'm just double checking, Your Honor.
They weren't Dunkin' Donuts.
I believe that I do.
They were packaged donuts.
Okay.
Dunkin' are fancy. You know, you can get the ones with the sprinkles.
You want to know what?
And the nuts.
You know.
And the powder sugar.
No, you know what?
They weren't those.
No, Mr. Brown.
They were just, they were
They
to
told
the
me,
package.
when they told me you were going to be here,
Right.
I almost stayed home.
For me,
Judge Simpson.
I like donuts. I should have brought you some. They go good with your coffee.
Meanwhile, the prosecution returns with the restitution fee.
$4.68.
Those are some pretty good donuts.
They weren't that good. Were they stale?
Yeah, I think so.
They were a little stale.
468.
Yes, Your Honor.
You've been in since the time of the arraignment, is that correct?
For 93 days, yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea. Sentence of the court, fines and costs of $250. I'll order 93 days on this case. Credit 93 served. I will also order restitution in the amount of $4.68.
Including additional court costs of $50, Williams still owes the court a total of $304.68. But she's free to go, and the case is closed. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.